Okay, to continue, okay, so the error now in the area is we have 15,680.73 minus 15,658.76. We have to get the absolute value. Okay, so 15,680.73 minus 15,658.76. So the error in the area therefore the error in the area is 21.97 square meters. Okay, next, correction due to temperature. So we have correction due to temperature. Okay, so CT equals K times T2 minus T1 times L1. Okay, so ano itong CT? Ito yung correction that you will apply due to temperature. Ang K, this is what you call coefficient of linear expansion. Okay, usually ang material ng fiber tape or ng tape is merong 0.0000116 meter per degrees Celsius. Okay, so yan ang value ng K. That value of K is what you will use if there is no given value of K. So that's the automatic value of K that you will have to use kung naka-meter at naka-degree Celsius ang temperature. Okay, T2, that is the temperature of tape when its length is correct, meaning walang error ang tape na ginamit. Yun pala yung T1. Tapos yung T2, that's the temperature of the tape. Okay? During measurement. So when you are doing measurements using this tape, T2 is the temperature at that moment during measurement. Again, T1, so this T1 is what you call the standard temperature. Bakit standard temperature? Because that's the temperature, not temperature of tape. Okay. The temperature of the surroundings when its length is correct. When the length of the tape is correct. Okay. Then, L1, ito yung correct length. Or, length at T1. Ano yung length nung T1? Okay. So, next. We will have an example. A steel tape with a coefficient of linear expansion, okay, given, is known to be 50 meters long at 21 degrees Celsius. So, ang tape na ginamit, so there, by the way, this is sample problem 3. So, ang tape na ginamit is 50 meters. Tapos, standard ang length niya at 21 degrees Celsius. So, since standard ang length sa 21 degrees Celsius, so automatic, this is your T1. The tape was used to measure a line which was found to be, okay, meron tayong measured distance, merong line, and then the distance of that line was measured to be 553.2 meters when temperature is 32.8 degrees Celsius. So, ang standard tape, okay, tape is correct kung ang temperature 21 degrees Celsius. Pero, a line was measured, okay, using this tape at a temperature 32.8. So, at this temperature, nag-increase ang temperature. So, merong possibility that the tape, nag-increase din ang length ng tape. So, meron ng error. So, meaning, erroneous na ito na measurement. Pero kung nag-measure siya at a standard temperature, 21 degrees Celsius, then walang error. Okay? So, what is the temperature correction per length or per tape length? Pag sinabing per length, this is the first question ha. Ibig sabihin yan, per tape length. Okay, so isang length ng tape, sa isang length ng tape, ilan ang correction? So, let's say CT, correction of tape due to temperature. So, you have the coefficient of linear expansion given 0.000116 meters per degrees Celsius times, okay, yung T2, ano yung temperature during measurement, 32.8, then, this is in degrees Celsius, minus, ano yung standard length, temperature at standard length, that is 21, then, ano yung correct or length ng tape at T1. So, syempre, ang length ng tape ng T1 is yung correct na length, which is 50 meters. So, yung correction per length or per tape length is, okay, you have 0.0000116 times 32.8 minus 21 times 50. So, this is 6.844 times 10 raised to negative 3 meters. So, this is, or 0.006844 meters. Or in millimeters, this is 6.844 millimeters. So, yan ang error kada length ng tape. Okay. Then, next. Okay. Number 2. Question number 2 is temperature correction for the measured line. So, ano yung correction dun sa measured line? So, you'll have correction on the measured line is equal to K. So, yung pa rin 0.0000116. Okay? By the way, ito meters din. So, natanggal yung degree Celsius. Okay? Wala palang meters yan. Wala yan. So, hindi siya meters per degree Celsius. Per degree Celsius lang. Okay? So, ang natira na is meters. So, per degree Celsius. Tapos again, T2 is 32.8, T1 is 21. Okay. So, ang measured length, okay. So, ang measured length ng ating line is 553 0.2. Okay? So, ang correction on the measured distance is 0.0000116 32.8 minus 21. Okay. So, the answer is okay, 0.0757 meters. Okay? Yan. So, next is, what is the corrected length of line? Okay. Number 3, correct length ng itong line, okay, correct distance ng line is equal to yung measured distance plus yung correction due to temperature. So, you have the measured line, 553.2 plus 0.0757. Okay? So, we have 553.2 plus 0.0757. That is 553.276 meters. So, minsan class, ang correction magiging negative kasi ang T2 is smaller value than T1. So, meaning, pag smaller value ang T2 kaysa sa T1, so, compared to the standard length, ang temperature during measurement is smaller. So, if the result of the correction is naging negative, it's because, again, T2 is greater than T1, then, you have to carry that negative sign. So, naging plus, negative, correction. So, parang na-minus na yung correction. Okay? So, since T2 is greater than T1, that's why the result is positive, yung correction sa measure distance. So, plus, positive. So, that's why ito yung result. No? So, again, there are times that CT is negative, so you have to carry the sign. Okay? No? Okay, always carry the sign. Okay? So, example lang, different ito. So, if CT is computed to be negative 0.005, so the correct distance is let's say the measured distance is, okay, measured minus, plus CT. So, let's say the measured distance is 88. Example lang ito ha, iba ito. Then, plus negative 0.0005. So, instead na ma-add ang 88 sa 0.005, nag-minus siya. It's because ang result ng CT is negative. It's because, most probably, kaya siya naging negative, it's because yung T2 is less than T1. So, this is also possible na lesser ang T2 kaysa sa T1. Okay. So, next, we have correction due to pool. Okay, ano naman itong pool? Correction due to pool. Okay, correction due to pool. So, syempre, whenever you measure, ito yung tape, this is the tape. So, sa kabila, hawakan, sa kabila, hawakan, no? Yung pull, syempre, you will have to pull the tape, no? There are times that if your pull is too hard, masyadong na-pull, so what will happen is it tends the tape to stretch. So, hindi rin good because it will give the tape an error if sobrang stretch. Tapos, pag kulang ang stretch, pag kulang naman ang pull, medyo ang mangyari is that magsag siya. So, it also contributes, okay? It also contributes to the error in the tape. So, dapat, tama lang ang pull para yung length ng tape will not be incorrect. So, we have what you call PS. This is what you call the standard pull. When you say standard pull, what is the magnitude of the pull so that tape is correct, meaning walang error sa tape. PM is yung pull during measurement. When you use that certain tape during measurement, what is the magnitude of the pull that you applied on the ends of the tape? Okay, and then you have L is the length to be corrected, and then CP is the correction to be applied due to pull. Okay, due to incorrect pull. Okay. So, correction, this is the formula for correction due to pull. You have PM minus PS times L over AE. By the way, A is cross-sectional area of the tape. When you say cross-sectional area ng tape, so di ba ito yung tape, yan, tas yan yung, let's say, yan yung 0, tapos yan yung calibrations, so on. So, di ba meron yung nipis lang siya na, syempre nipis lang ang tape. Okay, this one, this area right here, the one that I shaded, this is very thin. Although it's thin, meron pa rin yung area. So, ito yung cross-sectional area. E. What is E? This is the modulus of elasticity of the tape. When you say modulus of elasticity, gaano ka-elastic ang tape? Okay? So, next, we'll have a sample problem. We'll have SP4. This is the fourth sample problem. Okay, a heavy 50-meter tape having a cross-sectional area of 0.05. So, given ang cross-sectional area, 0.05 square meter, has been standardized at a tension of 8 kilograms. So, tension, yun na yung pull. So, standard pull daw is 8 kilograms. So, this is PS, ang 8 kilograms. Then, yung E, given to be 2.10 times 10 raised to 6 kilograms per square centimeters. Okay, number 1, we are going to determine the correction in the tape if a pull of 12 kilograms is applied. So, CP of tape, correction due to pull on the tape. So, since doon sa tape, so PM, yung PM natin, okay, given din pala, correction in the tape if the pull of, okay, yung PM is given to be 12 kilograms. Okay, so PM minus PS times length of the tape, because we are trying to correct the tape, so of course, L will be the length of the tape, 50 over, okay, area, 0.05 centimeter squared, tapos elasticity 2.10 times 10 raised to 6 kilograms per square centimeter. Okay, tanggal. By the way, ito kilograms, ito meters. So, tanggal pa rin ang kilogram. So, syempre, ang correction is naka-meters pa rin. Okay, so we have 12 minus 8 times 50 over 0.05 times 10 at 2.1. Okay, para times 10 raised to 6, pindutin lang ito na button. Okay, then type 6. So, then close in parentheses. Yan. So, okay, we'll have, this is the correction in tape. 1.904, 905 na lang times 10 raised to negative 3. So, this means 0.001905 meters. Or 1.905 mm. Okay, so that is the correction of the tape. Correction of the measured length. Okay. The actual length of a line was measured to be 403.17 meters with 12 kilogram pull applied. So, yung second question is yung measured distance is 403.17. Then, this is the measurement at pull of 12 kilograms. So, since 12 kilograms is during measurement, so yan yung PM. Same pa rin. So, the actual length, okay, kunin muna natin ang correction. So, to correct that, same pa rin, 12 minus 8. Pero since we're trying to correct the measured distance, so, that's the one that we will write here for the length, and then area times elasticity. Okay. Okay. So, 0.0154. This is in meters. Okay, tama ba yan? Okay. So, therefore, correct distance is equal to measured distance plus correction due to pull. So, 403.17 plus 0.0154. Okay. 403.17 plus 0.0154. Or we have 403.185 meters. So, this is the correct distance corrected due to incorrect pull. Okay. Let's go down to the last sample problem. So, for the last sample problem, SP5, ito na yung combined corrections. So, what if in a certain situation, we will have to combine all of the corrections. So, again, by the way, before we proceed, so there are times that the correction due to pull is negative. No? Kasi it's also possible that the PM is less than PS. So, if PM is less than PS, this becomes negative. So, this also becomes negative. So, pag negative ang value ng CP, you just carry that sign. So, ma-minus siya. Parahan lang dun sa correction due to temperature. So, just carry the sign. Okay. So, for combined corrections, before we proceed, so again, for the incorrect tape length, corrected distance is equal to measured distance plus or minus the error in the tape times the measured distance over the nominal length. So, plus if the tape is too long, minus if the tape is too short. Okay. For correction due to temperature, you have K times T2 minus T1 times the length to be corrected. Okay. Correction due to pull. So, for the correction due to temperature, so the corrected distance is now measured distance plus correction due to temperature. Then, you should carry the sign. Galing dito na formula. Correction due to pull is equal to PM minus PS times the length to be corrected over cross-sectional area of tape times modulus of elasticity of tape. So, corrected distance is equal to measured distance plus correction due to incorrect pool. So, ito, carry pa rin ang sign. Okay? Because there are times na negative ang CP because PM is less than PS. Okay? Okay. So, last na tayo na problem. So, a line was determined to be, so yung measure distance ng isang line, so again this is your fifth and final sample problem. Sample problem 5. Measure distance was said to be 2395.25 meters. When measured with a 30 meter steel tape, so yung nominal length ng steel tape is 30 meters. So kanina, on our previous problems, usually, the given nominal length of tape is 50 meter tape. This time, it's 30 meter lang. Okay, 30 meter throughout its length under a pool of 4 kilograms and a mean temperature of. So, during measurement, ang pool is 4 kilograms and then T2 is 35 degrees Celsius. Bakit siya PM? Kasi when you are going to understand the statement, a line was determined to be 2395.25 meters when measured with 30 meter steel tape supported through its length under a pool of 4 kilograms. So, yung pool 4 kilograms is during measurement and also the temperature 35 degrees Celsius is during measurement. So, kaya T2. Tape is used of standard length. So, I am continuing to read the problem. Tape used is of standard length at 20 degrees Celsius. So, ang standard length ng tape, standard temperature for the tape is 20 degrees Celsius and under a pool of 5 kilograms. So, standard din ang tape pag ang pool ay 5 kilograms. Okay? Cross-sectional area is given to be 0.03 square centimeters. Tapos, K is 0.0000116 per degree Celsius. Tapos, ang elasticity is 2 times 10 raised to 6 kilograms per square centimeter. So, question is, determine the error of the tape due to change in temperature. So, due to change in temperature, the error of the tape lang ha. So, yung tape lang. Okay. Of tape. So, since tape lang, yung K, 0.0000116, T1 is 35 ang T2 minus T1, 20. Then, length of tape is 30. Okay, so the correction of the tape due to temperature is plus 5.22 times 10 negative 3, or that is 0.00522 meters. Okay. Yan yung number 1. Yung number 2 sa problem is error due to tension or due to pull. Pag sinabing tension, yan na rin yung pull. Okay? So, error due to tension. So, CP, that is PM minus PS times yung measured distance, 2395.25 over area, cross-section, elasticity, 2 times 10 raised to 6. Okay, so we have 2395.25 0.03 2 10 raised to 6. So this is negative 0.0399. This is in meters. So negative because 4 minus 5. So nagkataon na ang PM is less than PS. That's why negative. Okay. So that's the error due to pull. Number 3 is the corrected length of line. So yung yung correct distance ng line is combined correction sa tatlong causes of error. So first is, so you now have the measured distance. Okay? Then, add ang correction due to temperature, add pang correction due to pull, ano pang causes. Okay, wala na. So, yun lang. So, measured distance is 2395.25. Yung correction due to temperature, don't use this one because this is only for the tape. So, we will solve first for the measured length. Okay, 116.35 minus 20 times 2395.25. This is 0.416 or 0.417 meters. Okay, so since positive, so plus 0.417. Then, yung correction due to pull of the measured distance is, this is naka-negative. So, minus 0.0399. So, 2395.25 plus 0.417 minus 0.0399. Okay, so the correct length is 2395.627 meters. So, that's combined corrections. Okay, you answer the plate that I will give you. Okay, and see you next meeting.